This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Bdrm. Beautiful 2.14-acre homestead with 4-bedroom 2-bath home located on Quiet Circle. New metal roof, water heater, gutters, and exterior paint. Huge 45 by 34 years new, insulated workshop with electric, 3, 10 by 10 roll-up doors. Epoxy floor. Home includes eat-in kitchen with newer stainless refrigerator, built-in micro-convection oven, island with cooktop and seating. Solid surface countertops and tile flooring. Tiled living room is large with huge windows overlooking front yard. Giant tiled master suite with French doors to outside deck. Master bath includes huge shower, double sink vanity and jetted tub. Bedrooms 2 and 3 are larger with new carpet. Bedroom 4 is tiled with access to second bath. Oversized attached 2-car garage with cabinets and sink. Fully fenced backyard. For more information